share.
Should have mugged him right there.
Okay, it looks to me like the button team's already in the side.
Get him, Joey!
We gotta go across the way. Rowdies, 1 and 2. They gotta go through that chopped off area. Oh, don't turn around. There is no steering gear. No. Stay right in there. Whoop. We got 2 this side. We got another one right here. And they are through the chop off. We got 2 of them across the line. The gun sounds. Nobody gets happier than my little buddy in a blue shirt out there when it goes that way. We got another one in the saddle. What do you say we give him a little help in